Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I'm here with Gigi and Antonello, and we got the key to the upper part of the frantoio. So the frantoio's down below, and the apartment above that we are going to redo and reset up just as it was back in the 1700s is open, and we're going in. So if you saw the video the other day with all of those artifacts, the bread box, the sifters, things like that will all go in here, just as it was back in the 1700s. This is right above the frantoio. The frantoio is down below. As you know, we got plenty of money to renovate, and we're well into phase 2 and almost actually done with the financing on that. So thank you guys again, and let's go take a look. We're in the foyer here, and there's a room that goes off this way and a room that comes in here. I'm holding Gigi because I don't want her to step on any nails. This was another olive mill, and you can see you still have the stone from where they were crushing olives, and this arch on the other side. Antonello says it opens up into another house that we're actually selling right now. But it's been closed up, but it adjoins with the house, the White House that we're selling now. Okay, this was utilized as a stall for the burros, because the burros had their eating area over there. So the burros were kept in here, and those burros were working burros for the country.
Okay. E poi successivamente è andato in disuso, è rimasta solo la macina, è stata tolta la conga di pietra, e quindi è rimasta così. E c'è anche quest'altra per questa terra, vedi? Per il torchio. Ed è stata chiusa perché erano due stanze anche queste. Poi è stata divisa la proprietà, una metà è andata ad una figlia, l'altra metà è rimasta questa stanza con quella di là. E di là c'è anche una porta che io volevo ripristinare. Volevo aprire per collegarla con la stanza che fra poco vediamo.
Wow, e questo
qui il solaio è fatto sopra.
Sì, good.
E qui è terrapieno. E io questo lo vorrei utilizzare sempre come per la casa contadina.
Sì, esatto. Okay, wow, that's a piece of the olive grinding equipment here, and there's an old bicycle. Okay, we're going to recuperate that, and we're going to take it downstairs into the frantoio and put it up where it was when it was a working olive mill. See, we're going to get rid of this because it was made into a robot. Okay. You got to step up.
Allora, si vede sfondato.
Oh, sì, okay.
Qui era la cucina.
Yes, this was the kitchen, and you can see there's a pizza oven there, a bread oven.
Qui c'è il forno. Questo qui invece lo vorrei utilizzare per ricavarci la scala.
We're going to make a staircase.
Che va giù e poi collegarlo con il frantoio.
And join it up with the olive mill, okay.
In modo tale che resta questo punto museale, si può visitare per intero.
Oh yeah, okay.
Anche dall'interno.
Okay, we're going to make it so that this is a walking museum that you can actually come in on the inside and then go down the stairs to the frantoio down below. So this part will be set up as it was when the mill owner lived here back in the 1700s. This is the bedroom thing here that will be set up again just as it was back in the 1700s. Through here, there is a door that we're going to go to the next room over there. This is, this is the little magazzino underneath, and you can see where we were. This above it is that kitchen area with the forno and that fireplace. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the oven and the fireplace, make it look nice, and then put a staircase down here. Under the staircase there will be a little bathroom for the museum. And then on the other side is the frantoio, and on the other side there is the 2 rooms that we saw just a bit ago. This is so exciting. We want to thank all the donors who donated to this project. We can't wait to get started and see how it's going to look. So thanks again, you guys.